So I'm going to basically show you how to get hold of the latest release. So if we type into here, JMRI releases, and here it'll bring up this page. And here you can see the latest release, which is JMRI 5.12. So scrolling down this page, and I have shown this in the past, but on my normal YouTube channel, but I'm doing this obviously for the LCC Special Interest Group. So I use a Windows machine, so I need to download this exe file. But one word you need to be aware of, you do need Java. Now they recommend Java 17. So we click here and we scroll down this page. Now there's various ways you can do it. You can do it with open or this one here or whatever. I'm going to show you this one here. So if we go to here and we scroll down, which Java version do you need? So if we then go to here and we have to decide which version, so I'll say in this case Java 17. What operating system? For me it's a Windows machine. Next we want to know which architecture it is, and then if we look down here you've got various ones. So if I close this advert down, obviously I would suggest maybe go for this one. I tend to like to use the MSI version and use that to do the install. I'm not going to do this in this video because I've already got it and it would take a lot of time for me to go through all the various steps of it. So however, let's go back and let's get the latest release. So this is the information about the release and what it's got, and we're going to download it. Now here, I have actually already done this in the past on my machine, but I'll do it again anyway. And this will take a few moments to download. I'll speed this part of the video up because obviously it's going to depend on the speed of your machine how long this would take. Right, and now we can see it's downloaded. It's 188 megabytes. So I want to go into here and go into the folder where it is. So here we can see we've got the application. So I'm going to click on it. And here you get a warning. Now, we have seen, depending on your operating system and what security settings you've got, you might not be able to get access to this, and you have to work on that with whatever system you've got. As you see, I have no problem, but I do need to go to more information. And yes, I do trust it, so I'm going to run it anyway. I'm going to click here, yes. And then I'm going to click here. And it's asking me where do I want to put it and do I want to make a backup of existing files. Now this is highly recommended if you've already got your system set up. So I will do that. Click next. This then will take a few minutes to go through. If it takes too long, I will speed the video up. So here we get install for any users of this computer. In this case, I'm happy to do that. Now, at this point, normally I would have said just click next, but in this case, I want to show you something that's new within JMRI. And we've got a couple of options here. And the one we're interested in, I'm going to show today, is LCC Pro. I want a desktop icon for this to be made now. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to accept where it puts it. You might want to change this. Click next. Yes, I want this. So install. And we'll let it run through the install script. Again, I will speed the video up because this can take a little while depending on the speed of your machine. So here you can see it's now completed. So we're going to click next and we're going to click on finish. Now if I close these windows down, now what you'll see here on my desktop, obviously my desktop's a bit of a mess, so I do apologise. You've got the standard decoder pro, which is ideal for setting up your new locos or your decoders. We've got the usual panel pro, which I like to use in the past, but we've now got a new icon called LCC Pro.